Hi, I'd like to share with you a different approach about storing attachments in HP Service Manager. Now I'd like to introduce our company, eisFTP. We're a rather young company, but have had a great variety of experience in ITSM and data center systems. We deliver solutions based on HP and Raritan products. We offer complete implementation and smaller extensions or integrations related to these products. Let's go back to the presentation. I will talk about the present way of storage attachments in HPSM. The alternate way is to use the FTP server. I will present a small demo of the new approach. In summary, how it looks in out-of-the-box system. The user can add attachments into several objects, but as we know, they will finally go to a separate table. Sys attachments. The attachments are placed into small parts. The whole process of fragmentation or defragmentation is very interesting, but I don't want to focus a lot on this. I was wondering about the advantages of this approach and would say the biggest advantage is the fact that the attachments are in HPSM. The advantage may be a common place of storage attachments and other data in the same database, but it could also be treated as a minus. The disadvantages. The previous advantage can also be treated as a disadvantage. Rapid expansion of the database, and this is a serious problem. We know the real implementation of these attachments is 170 gig, which is 60% of the whole database. The need to limit the size of attachments. The high cost of maintenance in comparison to FTP. Lack of history of operations with attachments. Finally, the limited access of management and functionality concerning the attachments. Let's take another approach. In this model, the places of storage for attachments are different. They are placed on the FTP server, the place which has been made for this purpose. In the presentation layout there are no differences, but as we proceed further, you will see how more possibilities are given. Let's go to the demonstration. Here we can see HPSM 9.31, but the solution is transparent to other versions. Let's open one of the interactions. Here we have a section with the new eisFTP approach, FTP. Now the out-of-the-box approach. Let's check this out. Standard, as we know, is simple, one button, which opens a dialog window with the file prompt. We can choose one of the files and load it. The attachment is added after saving the interaction record. The alternate way is to use the FTP approach. Let's see how it works. Notice that we can select many files. There are a few basic helpful points, like the addition of the date, name of the operator, etc. The columns can also be sorted. The second enhancement is the full history about operations related with attachments. additions, modifications, and deletions. The new approach gives full access management to the attachments. Let's go to the operators. The operator has information about access to attachment operations. It is visible on the New tab. In this tab, you can see the rights to the functions for each object separately. The management of these rights are done using role. Let's change rights to the incidence object. At this point, we log out. As we can see, we cannot add or delete attachments to this table. We can only download it. Now to summarize. Advantages. Attachments are separated from the HPSM database. Here we save space. We have access management functionality. Now we have the full history of operations with attachments. It can be enhanced to a model in which the user will see all the attachments from root and related objects on one form. We may also hide specific attachments within a single object for specific roles. It is fully transparent to existing attachments and may be implemented in all versions of HPSM, and the process of migrations to a higher version is extremely simple. Thank you. Please contact us for further information or visit our website www.eisFTP.pl.